Just a little bit of exploring woods today. Spot where never really been in this spot before. See this old fence, pretty old barbed wire. So when I say get out, do something, stay active, this is the kind of stuff I mean, you know, just walking around. I know you guys say, oh, I'll go to work every day and do it. Yeah, I know that, but I'm saying when you're home, you know, you should always get out, go for a little walk in the morning, or go somewhere brand new, like a park or somewhere you've never been, like I'm doing right here, right now. I've been to the creek, but I've never been to this spot. See those old tires? I don't know how old those are. But this is another thing I love doing, is exploring. Especially out here in the woods. Some more old tires. Another old fence. And the property up there used to belong to my old neighbor. He's in a nursing home now, so kind of know some history. There's a lot of farmland. Oh, shoot. Got myself on this barbed wire here. It's another thing, you guys exploring. Got to be careful, you don't want to get hurt. It stuck me a little bit. I'm okay. Yeah, this is the creek, the waterfall I go to, but it's just a different part of it. Anyway, I'm gonna sign off of here, and remember, get out, do something, stay active. A little exercise is your friend. As long as you're repping, you're stepping. Small steps lead the way every day. Have a blessed one. Peace.